Hey, welcome to another innovational production. Today I'm going to be showcasing for you this little object here. Now you might not know what it is, but you may have guessed it. It's a lighter. Now, a while back I was looking for the perfect fire lighting solution for my survival kit. I looked at obviously matches, but matches are run out and they take a bit of space. I looked at refillable lighters, but you need lighter fluid to keep it going. I've looked at a flint where you use the flint to rub it together to make sparks to start a fire, which is, seems a little bit difficult. Recently I stumbled upon this one. It's a lighter, but it's not an ordinary lighter. You don't need any lighter fuel for it. In fact, you actually use a USB charger to charge it. So in essence, you have an unlimited power source. If you have a power bank and a solar panel with a charger, you can charge it indefinitely. This is what they call an arc lighter. The power comes from a little lithium battery in here, which is rechargeable. I'll show you this. So here you have the indicator showing how much power there is. Now it's full charge at the moment. As it says here, it's an arc lighter. So what exactly is an arc lighter and why is it so good? I'll show you why. You press the power button here. See that? Isn't that the coolest thing you've seen? Now, you can light fires with that. Now, if you don't believe what I'm saying, I'll demonstrate to you. So you may be asking, this arc that comes up, is it actually hot and will it start a fire? Well, here you go. Now kids, don't try this at home. Now kids, don't try this at home. That's super hot. So, apart from the fact that you have an potentially unlimited energy source until the battery dies out eventually, this is actually windproof. You can use it in any condition. So here we go, the perfect solution for your survival kit and for camping to light fires. The awesome arc lighter. Thanks for watching.